Miss Yaya, please go ahead.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. And thank you for taking time out na samahan kami tonight. Kung kayo excited, mas excited po kami kasi kabuuan nitong pelikulang ginawa ni Direk Alden Richards.
Hello everyone! Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta. Gusto ko lang din magpasalamat sa Heavenly Angels for coming and to my friends also for supporting. Sobrang galing po ng director na katabi po namin, by the way. Bibigay ko na po sa kanya at dami niya pong magandang gustong sabihin.
Ay, magkasalita ako? Oo, magkasalita ako dahil ako. Hello po, excited na po kami panoorin to kasi huli kami naging part nito nung sinushoot pa namin 2 years ago, no? Tapos si Direk Alden lang yung may alam ng lahat, kaya sabay-sabay tayo mag-enjoy tonight.
Hello po. Ay, sorry. Hindi, syempre, first and foremost, gusto ko
for you guys to see the film that we've worked with. A little bit of explanation lang, pwede naman po mag-explain, Your Honor. It has been 2 years because we decided, the whole team, Viva and Miria, decided that we should take the festival route first for the film to gain recognition and to give the film more premium. So we premiered in Danang, Vietnam po, first quarter of the year. And then by November, in competition po ang Out of Order sa Jagran Film Festival sa Mumbai, India. So pupunta rin po tayo doon. And gusto ko po magpasalamat sa lahat po na nandito ngayon, especially sa lahat po nang inimbita namin ng last minute but you said yes. Thank you po. Thank you po for supporting me. Miss Joy, thank you for